Hi everyone. My name is Miss Dakshita and I will be your science teacher for this academic session. I am associated with Bhagat Ram Vidyapeeth, an institution known for its commitment to academic excellence and holistic development of students. Science, as you know, is not just a subject to be studied in the classroom, but a way of exploring and understanding the world around us. Introduction to mole concept. The mole concept is a basic idea in chemistry that helps us relate the atomic world of tiny particles like atoms and molecules to the amounts we can see and measure. For students in classes 9 through 12, understanding the mole concept opens the door to learning about chemical reactions, calculations, and gas laws. What is a mole? A mole is a unit used to count very small particles. 1 mole contains 6.0 to 2 times 10 raised to the power 23 elementary entities. These entities can be atoms, molecules, ions, or electrons. This large number is called Avogadro's number. To give an analogy, just as a dozen means 12 items, a mole means approximately 6.0 to 2 times 10 to the 23rd items. Because atoms and molecules are extremely tiny, the mole is used to count them. For example, 1 mole of water contains 6.0 to 2 times 10 to the 23rd water molecules. And 1 mole of carbon-12 atoms has exactly 12 grams of mass. Historical background. The word mole was introduced by a German chemist named Wilhelm Ostwald in the year 1896. It comes from the Latin word moles, which means a heap or pile. Chemists use this term to describe a huge number of atoms or molecules in a pile. Importance of the mole concept. The mole concept connects the microscopic scale of atoms and molecules with the macroscopic world we see. It simplifies chemical calculations and allows us to predict the amounts of substances in reactions. Counting particles using moles. The number of moles is found by dividing the total number of particles by Avogadro's number. For example, if you have 1.204 times 10 to the 24 atoms of sodium, the number of moles is the total number divided by 6.0 to 2 times 10 to the 23rd, giving 2 moles. The relationship between mole, mass, and molar mass. Molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance in grams per mole. It is numerically equal to the atomic or molecular mass expressed in atomic mass units, but scaled up for practical use. For elements, molar mass is equal to the atomic mass in grams per mole. For example, hydrogen has an atomic mass of 1 atomic mass unit, so its molar mass is 1 gram per mole. How to calculate molar mass? To calculate the molar mass of a compound, follow these steps. First, write the chemical formula of the substance. Second, count the number of each type of atom present. Third, multiply the atomic mass of each element by the number of atoms. Fourth, add these values together to find the total molar mass in grams per mole. For example, in water, which has the formula H2O, there are 2 hydrogen atoms, each with an atomic mass of 1 gram per mole, so 2 times 1 equals 2 grams per mole. There is 1 oxygen atom with an atomic mass of 16 grams per mole. Adding these gives the molar mass of water as 18 grams per mole. Another example is methane, CH4. Carbon has 12 grams per mole multiplied by 1 atom, equals 12 grams per mole. Hydrogen has 1 gram per mole multiplied by 4 atoms, equals 4 grams per mole. Total molar mass is 16 grams per mole. Examples of molar mass calculation. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Sodium is 23 grams per mole multiplied by 2 equals 46 grams per mole. Carbon is 12 grams per mole multiplied by 1 equals 12 grams per mole. Oxygen is 16 grams per mole multiplied by 3 equals 48 grams per mole. Total molar mass is 106 grams per mole. Calcium nitrate, CaNO3 times 2. Calcium is 40.1 grams per mole multiplied by 1 equals 40.1 grams per mole. Nitrogen is 14 grams per mole multiplied by 2 equals 28 grams per mole. Oxygen is 16 grams per mole multiplied by 6 equals 96 grams per mole. Total molar mass is 164.1 grams per mole. Types of questions based on mole concept. 1. Finding the number of moles from the given mass. The formula is number of moles equals mass given divided by molar mass. For example, if you have 20 grams of water and molar mass is 18 grams per mole, dividing 20 by 18 gives approximately 1.11 moles. To finding the mass from given moles, the formula is mass equals number of moles multiplied by molar mass. For example, 2 moles of carbon dioxide with molar mass 44 grams per mole will weigh 88 grams. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to click subscribe, like and ring that bell. Fresh contents always on the way. Thanks for being with us.